Morning, YouTube. Picked this 8N, picked it up a couple weeks ago, and from all indications and the things that I'm seeing, it's a 47. Now, a lot of people have been fooled by a couple of things, and they've been thinking it's a 50 to 52, but it's not. They've been fooled by the alternator, as you see here, being on the left side, and the fact that it's got a side distributor. But there are a few features here that indicate it's not a 50-52. First off, if we can zoom in, I have deciphered the serial number enough to realize it starts with a 9N serial number. Second thing is that the oil filler tube is in the wrong location for a 50 to 52. It's actually forward, and it's got the long filler tube. And the previous owner, to get the alternator mount on the left side here, pushed the filler tube against the engine block. Don't know if you can see it, but it's got the spark plug wire tube. But if you notice, it's flipped backwards, and they're just using it to wire tie the spark plug wires to the tube. Here we have the clutch linkage. This is clutch linkage from a 47 8N. 48, they changed that out to a more robust clutch linkage. Then we have the steering knuckle. Again, this steering knuckle indicates it's a 47 because in 48 they improved it. So then we walk around to the front here, look at the grille. The grille has 3 holes below the Ford badge. In 47, Ford took the grille from a 2N, and they left the hose in the Ferguson System for the Ferguson System badge in the grille. Of course, later on 47, they removed those hose. So this one's got the hose, which indicates it's early 47. I'm gonna walk around here to my 44 2N, and there we see where the Ferguson System badge would go. Again, my 8N has the hose, which would indicate that it's 47. One more little thing here. Here we locate where the core was located at. This is where the toolbox would go, but they stuck the core there instead, and it looks like a resistor. They actually mounted the toolbox back here on the right fender. So anyway, I'm pretty sure that what I have is a 47 8N that someone replaced the engine with a late model 2N engine, with the serial number being 9N on the engine block. Anyways, like I said, I believe I have a 47 8N, and it's definitely not a 50 to 52 8N. Thanks for watching this video. Everyone take care. Bye.